Hi Andy, Namaste. Welcome to my channel, Sri Educational Channel. Latest current affairs la first bit. How much has the central government increased the target of Lakpati Didi Yojana? The right answer 3 crores. Next one. Where will exercise Vayu Shakti 24 be organized by the Indian Air Force? The correct answer Jaisalmer. Third one, in which city will the 67th All India Police Duty Meet be organized? The correct answer is Lucknow. Next one, in which state self-balancing electric was launched under smart policing? The right answer is Uttarakhand. Next one, which ministry was allocated the highest budget in the interim budget 2024? The correct answer, Ministry of Defense. And sixth one, who is the chairperson of Uttarakhand Uniform Civil Code Committee? The correct answer, Ranjana Desai. Next one, who is the Russian cosmonaut who has lived for 878 days in the space? The correct answer is Oleg Kononenko. Thank you.